Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn. Today we are going to complete margin questions and English workshop of the story The Two Gentlemen of Verona, Standard 8th English 3.4. Let's begin with margin questions. See on page number 70 of your textbook. First one, what is the story about? The story is about the two boys named Nicola and Jacopo who do numerous things to earn money to pay for their sister's treatment who suffers from tuberculosis of the spine. How does the narrator meet the two brothers? The narrator meets the two brothers when he was driving down the foothills of the Alps and the two brothers were selling wild strawberries. Third one, what kind of odd jobs do the two brothers do? The two brothers do the odd jobs like shining shoes in the public square, selling wild strawberries at the foothills of the Alps, selling newspapers in the stormy night. How does the narrator help the two brothers one day? One stormy night, the boys wanted to go to the nearby village Poleta. They asked the narrator to give them a lift. Although it doesn't come in the narrator's way, he takes them there and helps them. What secrets about the brothers does the nurse tell the narrator? The nurse told the narrator about the heart-rending story of the boys. Their father was killed in a war and their home was destroyed. Their sister was suffering from tuberculosis. They lived in a shelter home and literally starved so that they could pay for their sister's treatment. Explain the proverb, where there is a will, there is a way. Jaha chah wahan raah. Where there is a will, there is a way is a proverb signifying human willpower. Manushya ki ichha shakti. It means if we are determined to do something, we will get it done, even if the task is difficult or challenging. Impossible things can be done if our wish is strong. Then, English workshop from page number 71. First question, complete the following. Cronin's story focuses on selfless help and importance of dedication towards relationship. The narrator buys biggest basket of wild strawberries to encourage the two brothers. The narrator develops a liking for the two brothers because they are innocent, serious, pleasant and earnest. The boys wish to visit the village Poleta to meet their sister who is suffering from tuberculosis. So one can conclude from the story that where there is a will, there is a way, which means anything can be done if we are determined to do it. Second question, you have to solve the puzzle. Some words are given here and you have to find out similar words for the given words from the story and complete this puzzle. Disallow means forbid. Make known means reveal. Unexpected meeting, encounter. Giving pleasure to the mind, feeling or senses. What is enjoyable is pleasant. Sincere means earnest. Look like, resemble. So, using these words, you can complete the given puzzle in your notebooks. Then, answer in your own words and write in your notebook. First question, what illness did the sister suffer from? The sister suffered from tuberculosis of the spine. What surprised the narrator when he saw the brothers the second time? When the narrator saw the brothers the second time, they were shining shoes in the public square. It surprised the narrator. What did the narrator find about the boys at the hospital? At the hospital, the narrator found that the boys were orphans and homeless. They worked hard for the treatment of their sister who was suffering from tuberculosis and was admitted in a hospital. He also saw the girl who resembled them as they were talking to her. What was the touching story told by the nurse? The nurse told the narrator about the heart-rending story of the boys. Their father was killed in a war and their home was destroyed in the war. Their sister was suffering from tuberculosis. They lived in a shelter and literally starved so that they could pay for their sister's treatment. If the narrator offered the boys a large amount of cash, would they have accepted it? Say why or say why not. If the narrator offered the boys a large amount of cash, they wouldn't have accepted it. The boys were really hardworking and honest. They believed in their work. They would get help to get work from the writer, but not cash, as they were self-conceited, or even if they would take it as a loan and would repay him back in the installment. See, in the story, from the beginning, we have read that the boys do numerous types of work. और वे किसी से भी न पैसे उधार लेते हैं और ना ही मदद के रूप में लेते हैं. वे काम करते हैं अलग अलग तरीके के और पैसे कमाते हैं, खुद भूखा रहकर भी पैसे बचाते हैं ताकि वे उनकी बहन का इलाज करवा सके. और वे स्वाभिमानी बच्चे हैं तो वो किसी से भी कोई भी पैसे के रूप में मदद लेंगे नहीं, है ना. देन नाउन फॉर्म्स करने हैं आपको यहाँ कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं जिनके नाउन फॉर्म्स आपने इस कहानी से ढूंढना है. इम्पोर्टेंट, इम्पोर्टेंस. डेडिकेट, डेडिकेशन. ट्रीट, treatment. Narrate, narrator. Eager, eagerness. Appear, appearance. Amplify, amplification. Realize, realization. इस तरह से आपने पूरा वर्कशॉप समझकर अपनी नोटबुक में कंप्लीट कर लेना है. We shall meet with a new video very soon. Don't forget to comment your views in the comment section of the video. Thank you.